Hi, this is Dr. Graves with the CSUN Geography Department. This is a video tutorial to help students load the Doughnut lab and launch ArcMap using CSUN's virtual software library. I have a browser window open, this time Firefox, and all you have to do is type in my CSUN software in a search engine. Select my CSUN software from the list of options. Click Access My CSUN Software. Scroll down until you see ArcMap. Do not use the legacy My CSUN Software link. Log yourself in. Expect a duo push if you haven't logged in using this browser. Expect to wait a minute or so for ArcGIS or ArcMap 10.8, perhaps 10.9 to load. When the program has loaded, expect to see the Getting Started window. Click Cancel. Click File. Select ArcGIS Online from the drop-down menu. The ArcGIS Online dialog window will appear. Click in the search window and type in CSUN, Graves, and Doughnut. I think you can even use the shortcut spelling. Click on the search button and click Open. Wait for a few moments and the file will load into your virtual desktop. And there you have it. You may end this video and begin the next one that starts at about 1 minute in. That's the end of this video.